Good morning. So, a new day, a new destination, and where are we headed this time? We're going to Sagra. Probably we'll be visiting Jog and a couple of other new places which haven't been explored. So, I happened to pick up this new jacket, the BG Biking Brotherhood. It's apparently very nice, value for money. Costed me about 5,500 on Flipkart. Has a level 1 of protection, which is more than sufficient. So stay tuned for the video. Let's see how it goes. So I've reached the regular meetup point, which is the Bata showroom signal on the Banagatta road. My friend is yet to come. He woke me up at 5 and he told me we'll be starting by 6. It's 7:15 and he's not yet here. We have taken a pit stop. We are having our breakfast thanks to Lawrence. He made a nice yummy peanut butter sandwich. Thanks, Lawrence.
Anytime.
So we happen to stop, amid of this farms. So there are a lot of coconut plantations out here. That's our ride. That's Lawrence's bike. That's mine. So we are heading to Shimoga, and it's about another 160-170 odd kilometers from here. So we might take another 3 hours, 4 hours, 3 hours.
Depends on our ride.
So maybe 3 hours. So we might reach there by noon, by 2 p.m. in the afternoon. So let's see. Stay tuned, guys. As we had planned, we reached Sagra by 1 p.m. and luckily after we reached, it started raining. So we decided to rest for the entire day. At Jog Falls. It was a pleasant ride. So luckily the entire stretch from Bangalore, the roads were really good. We happened to come to the Jogfall viewpoint, but the ticket counter apparently is at the main gate, which is on the other side. So a couple of friends of mine have gone to get the ticket. So this was my ride. Let's see. I'll try and take some nice angle of the Jog Falls. Stay tuned, guys. Once upon a time, this used to be the visitors bungalow. This is apparently constructed by the Britishers. It was known as the travelers bungalow. This is the new building that the government has constructed now. Probably it is going to be a travelers bungalow. So this is the steps what they have made for the viewpoint. And guys, this is Jog.
So ideally, all the tourists who come down.
Apparently the water seems to be less. That's the bridge. That's the viewpoint I was talking about earlier. It's on the other side. So this viewpoint is from the other side. Luckily there's no rain. So we actually decided to come on the other side so that we could get the view, a better view of Jog. And then we realized that they had actually stopped tourists this side. The reason being, a lot of people had made that point a suicide point than a viewpoint. So that actually put barricades. But me and my friends, we kind of were tempted to go to that spot and have a look. So as you can see, there were a lot of trees and plants which had grown, and there was no space at all for us to move around. Still, we managed to go there. We had taken permission. We managed to go there, and we wanted to get a nice view. So it was like about 50 steps further down. And finally we reached the viewpoint, and it was worth the efforts. Trust me guys, you can see how good the view is from here. After Jog, we had decided to go to Sigandur, and stay tuned, I'll be showing you how we reached Sigandur, after which we visited the Idukki temple, which is 5 kilometers away from Sagra. The entire day was really well spent and we had a great time. So this was the viewpoint which I was talking about, which is apparently closed for all the visitors now, and we were lucky that we got to get here. So this is the kind of view of Jog we get from this point. It's at the cliff, and the view is just breathtaking. We came to Sigandur. This is the place. That's the boat, what you can see, on which we'll be loading our bikes, and that will sail us through the backwaters and take us to the other side, from where we have a connectivity to Sagra. So stay tuned. I will show you how these things work here. So ginger lemon shunti soda ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಿತಿನ್ ಅವ್ರು ಸಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಮಲ್ನಾಡ್ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಅಂತ. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಕಡಲೆಕಾಯಿ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ, ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೌ ದೇ ಮೇಕ್ ದ ಶುಂಠಿ ಸೋಡಾ. ಅಪರೆಂಟ್ಲಿ ವೆರಿ ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟೇಸ್ಟಿ. ಶುಂಠಿ ಸೋಡಾ ಹಾಗೂ ಈ ಕಡಲೆಕಾಯಿನ ನಿಜೋಲು ಐ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ದೀಸ್ ಪೀನಟ್ಸ್, ರಿಯಲಿ ರಿಯಲಿ ಟೇಸ್ಟಿ. Apparently this shunti soda is really healthy and tasty out here, so we are trying it out. It's a small tea stall kind of a place. So, and these pine nuts we found, which is apparently tasty too. So we are on this ferry. Just loaded the bike. So this is how they load the cars. And there is my bike.
ಬರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಗಿಲ್ವಾ ಕೇರಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹೌಸ್ ಬೋಟಲ್ಲ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರಾಗ ಈಗಲೂ ನೀನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಯಾರು ಕೇರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿಲ್ಲ. Come to Ikkeri. This is a temple located almost near Sagra, almost 1 kilometer from Sagra, 2 kilometers from Sagra. Apparently it's constructed in 600 AD and by King Shivappa Nayaka, and there is a myth or a rumor saying that it was constructed overnight. So not sure how far it's true, Let's have a look. So it's a Agoreshwara temple, and there is a single stone carved Nandi inside the temple. So these carvings looks absolutely stunning. Okay, that's the Nandi if I'm not wrong. Alla?
Yeah.
Ide alla?
ಇದು ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ನೋಡಿ ಅದು ಇವಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಲ್ಲು ಸೌದಿದೆ. ಹಲೋ
Okay, this is a single stone
ಹಲೋ ವಾಲಿಬಾಲ್
Nandi.
ಬರ್ತೀನಿ.
Looks actually amazing.
ಹೌದಾ?
Howda? After the visit to Idukki temple, we headed back to the room as it started raining. So the overall trip was really good. We got to explore new places, obviously, and of course, Jog is one of the world famous tourist destination one must visit. And we were also lucky that we got to visit Idukki temple and another temple which was about 30 kilometers from Jog, which is Bhimeshwara temple, and I have made a separate vlog on it, so I've already posted on YouTube. Please do watch. Thanks for watching, guys, and please do support me by liking and subscribing my channel. Hope you enjoyed the video. Cheers, guys. Stay tuned. Stay safe. Bye bye.